Mealtime for the Alaskan Klee Kais. Let's go. We have an active lifestyle, so breakfast can vary from 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. And unless I'm taking them with me, Pixel prefers to sleep in anyways, but Kyber's down to eat whenever food is available. After some fresh water, Purina Pro Plan gets carefully measured for each dog. Then we add some high-grade fish oil, powdered eggs, and a tablespoon of bone broth. Top that off with hot water and let it sit for about 5 minutes. Of course, Kyber's ready to go. Don't worry about Pixel. I'll have hers on the counter for whenever she decides to face the day.
A few moments later.
Lunch is served between 11:30 and 1. Each dog gets a bit more kibble. This time we add their toothpaste. This is from Pet Lab Co. and it's called Pro Bright. You can get it on Amazon. They seem to like it. And then I top that off with some cold water and serve it straight away to provide them with some texture variances. This one's a little more crunchy.
A few moments later.
Dinner is without doubt their favorite meal of the day. They each get a meat cube, which we prepare ahead of time. We just pull them out of the freezer, thaw them out, add a small amount of bone broth, and serve them up. Look in the description below for a link to the videos on how to make the meat cube and how to make bone broth for dogs. Thanks for watching.